Hi guys, outfit check. We're gonna because So me first. What's it? This is my outfit. So this top is from I think Shein, and this is from Shopee. The price of this is I think I know it's 200 plus this top, and this one is 250 pesos. So that's it. I put a little bit of makeup, but it's not showing like raw. It's a pink blush, but you can see it. Okay.
This is okay lang. 100 pesos. Kumadkad ko lang binakal. Pero okay din to. 50 pesos lang to. Tapos, ang brief ko di case, 500 pesos. May slipper, habiyanan.